welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So in today's video, I will be trying and testing all the new launches by Cuffs and Lashes. So Nidhi actually sent me everything जो भी उन्होंने अभी new launch किया है ना. Their eye palettes, their lipsticks, their cupcake range, the entire bronzer, blusher and highlighter range. So उन्होंने मुझे सब कुछ भेज दिया था PR में. And I am first of all very grateful. Thank you so much Nidhi if you're watching this video. इतना सारा सामान भेज के मुझे spoil करने के लिए thank you. And I'm going to try all these new launches in front of you guys because Cuffs and Lashes is one such brands जो कि मेरी absolute favorite है when it comes to affordable makeup. Now this video is not at all sponsored by Cuffs and Lashes. It's just that कि मुझे इतना सारा सामान आ गया है ना PR में that it makes sense to actually do a video on this. And I just want to support our homegrown Indian brand because why not #vocal for local. And I'm really excited to share my opinions about these products. Nidhi is actually a good friend of mine, but I promise it's not going to change my opinion about these products. I'm just going to give a super honest and unbiased review of these products. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Alright guys, here is my box and we have a lot of eyeshadow palettes. We have their handy dandy palettes and we have their 9 color eyeshadow palette. I think निधि ने मुझे सारी की सारी handy dandy palettes भेज दी हैं and 9 color eyeshadows भी 3 ही like variants में launch हुई थी. So वो भी तीनों है मेरे पास. Then I have the cupcake bronzers, contour shades, the cupcake blushes, highlighters, plus we also have their Penta 5-in-1 matte lipstick. So yeah, ये सारे products हम try करेंगे. But before that, let me just quickly prep my skin. And I've already cleansed my face using the Dermaweave Hydra Cleanser. You guys know that this is my all-time favorite cleanser. It's a very gentle oatmeal-based cleanser. It's a natural pH balanced soap-free cleanser. Plus, it doesn't have any parabens or SLS. So that's a big thumbs up from my side. And the best part is it doesn't strip off the natural oils, the essential oils of the skin. Rather, it hydrates the skin. So I love to use this all the time. Next up, I'm going to use my Mystic Earth serum. I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm just going to apply this. Time to moisturize the skin and I'm going to use my Nutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. I just don't have words for this. You guys know मैं इसकी बहुत तारीफ कर चुकी हूँ because it's very nice you guys. I mean it's very hydrating plus काफी अच्छे से ना स्किन को हाइड्रेट तो करते करते साथ में it soothes the skin, so I love this. Also it has antioxidant properties, so it quenches oxidized cells and activate the healthy skin cells. You can say my skin doesn't feel greasy, especially in this sort of a weather. कभी-कभी होता है ना कि moisturizers बहुत heavy लगते हैं skin पे, but it's not the case with this one. So I would highly recommend you guys the Nutriderm moisturizer and the Dermaweave Hydra Cleanser. The links of both the products are in the description box below. And it's equally important to moisturize the lips really well. I'm going to use my all-time favorite Plum Candy Melts lip balms. This is the variant Red Velvet Love. And now I'm just going to quickly do my base makeup because obviously base करना पड़ेगा तभी हम जाके ये सारे products try and test कर पाएंगे, right? So for that I'm going to use the Mars Take a Glow Illuminating Primer. It's, you can say, somewhat similar to MAC Strobe Cream. मतलब MAC Strobe Cream में ना कोई whitish cast नहीं है, इसमें थोड़ा सा whitish cast लगता है मुझको, but इसका texture ना मुझे like almost same ही लगता है. Done with my base, now it's time to do some eye makeup and I have first of all the 9 color eyeshadow palettes. So we have the Kiwi palette, I think it's called the Kiwi palette only, and then we have the Let It Snow palette as well as the Love palette. I am not sure कि मैं आज के वीडियो में ये यूज करूंगी या फिर handy dandy palettes यूज करूंगी, but we're just gonna quickly do a swatch test and let's see के shades कैसे हैं. So this is what the Love palette looks like. I love the color story first of all, and then I'm just gonna okay, the shimmers are not very smooth. I would say like कभी-कभी होते हैं ना shimmers भी इतने buttery smooth होते हैं. Shimmers होते हैं smooth तो नहीं है. Let me just see a matte one. Okay, matte is थोड़ा smooth as compared to the shimmer. and this is what the pigmentation looks like. Just one swatch and look at the crazy pigmentation. I am like very impressed. So इसने हमारा first impressions वाला test तो pass कर लिया, because मैंने पहले कुछ भी swatch करके नहीं देखा था जब मुझे ये PR में आए थे. And then this is the another matte shade. It's very beautiful. And then I'm not gonna swatch the glitter right now because फिर सारा glittery हो जाएगा. And then we're just gonna see the Kiwi palette. So we have like a green and teal sort of a color story over here. And then I'm just gonna swatch a few shades. Wow, this is highly pigmented. I'm gonna swatch this golden shimmery shade as well. This is so damn pretty. I mean, just look at that. Wow, man. I am highly impressed, Nidhi. I am so proud of you. This is for just 350 rupees. You're getting 9 eyeshadows. I think that's definitely a steal deal. Now let's swatch the Let It Snow palette. We have so many pretty grays and white and black going on over here. Wow, the black is jet black. मतलब बहुत ही सही है. कहाँ swatch करूँ? Just look at that, guys. We have this very pretty shimmery charcoal. It's so pretty. Wow. Love it. Next up we have these handy dandy palettes. The packaging is oh so cute. I mean, I am such a huge fan of the packaging. And कितने प्यारे प्यारे से emojis बने हुए हैं. हर palette पे एक अलग emoji है. So मुझको तो इसकी packaging बहुत ज़्यादा cute लगी. I'll show you what the actual palette looks like. Now palettes कुछ इस तरह की दिखती हैं. We get 4 eyeshadows for 299 rupees. Wait, let me just cross check. Yeah, it's for 299 rupees. Plus we get छुटकू सा like brush, which I don't know कि इसका क्या use होगा, because ये brush कुछ इस तरह का दिखता है. It looks like a paint brush to me, honestly. So इसको तो मैं use नहीं करने वाली हूँ आज के वीडियो में, but I'm gonna just swatch a few shades. 2 बार swatch करने पे मुझे कुछ इतनी सी pigmentation मिली है. I am not very impressed with the pigmentation. मुझे 9 color shadow की pigmentation काफी better लगी इस वाले से. I'll just swatch this dark shade also. Yeah, I mean इसका ना पिगमेंटेशन आपको ऐसे 2 बार ही स्वॉच करने में पता चलेगा. दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. शिमर भी उतना ज्यादा चटाक नहीं है. इट्स लाइक अ वेरी सटल शिमर. आई डोंट नो इफ यू गाइस कैन सी और नॉट. For today, I think I'm gonna go with these 2 palettes. मैं दोनों को mix करके use करने वाली हूँ अपना eye makeup करने के लिए. Alright guys, done with my eye makeup. I've used this palette, then a little bit of this palette as well as this palette. I feel the formulation is very nice. There was no fallout at all. मतलब मैंने इतना सारा like you know बनाना पाउडर लगा लिया था अपने अंडर आई एरिया में कि अगर कोई fallout हुआ तो बाद में हम लोग डस्ट ऑफ कर देंगे, बट कोई भी fallout नहीं हुआ. So it's a big thumbs up from my side. I think the palettes are definitely value for money and I am in just love with the palettes. And now we have come to the Cupcake bronzers. Just आंख बंद करके आप ये bronzers खरीद सकते हो, because इसका जो बड़ा वाला जो पैकेजिंग लॉन्च हुआ था ना, the chiseled palette, वो मैंने काफी बार ट्राई किया हुआ है एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव द ब्राउन्स शेड्स. मुझको काफी अच्छे लगते हैं. मतलब उसमें ऐसे कूल टोन ब्राउन्स भी हैं, वार्म टोन ब्राउन शेड्स भी हैं. सो आप ब्राउन्जिंग एंड कॉन्टोरिंग दोनों ही कर सकते हैं. और उसका ही लाइक यू कैन से सिंगल पैन्स लॉन्च हुए हैं ये वाले Cupcake ब्राउन्जर्स और द कॉन्टोर शेड्स. द पिगमेंटेशन इज सो ब्यूटिफुल. द ब्लेंडेबिलिटी इज अगेन वेरी नाइस. आई थिंक आई एम गोना गो विद दिस शेड विच इज कॉल्ड कोकोनट्स. अगेन इसकी जो एक्चुअल पैकेजिंग है उस पे शेड नहीं लिखा है, आउटर पैकेजिंग पे ही शेड mentioned है. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is again very very cute. बाहर वाली packaging भी बहुत cute लगी मुझको. So yeah, this is what the product looks like. It is very very smooth you guys. बहुत ज़्यादा smooth है इनका texture. Plus ये skin पे बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लगते हैं. And I'm just gonna quickly use this on my face. Can you guys see that? It is so pretty, guys. I mean, if you want like a very nice bronzer shade, now if you are somewhere near to my skin tone, just go for this shade, which is Coconuts. I think this is absolutely beautiful. Now we also get like a pressed banana powder, if I'm not wrong, and ये वाला shade जो है ना, it's called Banana. So this is what it looks like. These retail for just rupees 225 rupees. I think that's amazing. मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा price point है. So I absolutely love the price, the quality, the shade range. I mean, you get I think total 7 contour shades plus 1 banana powder. We also have this shade which is called बीच सैंड. ये ना मुझे पता नहीं हल्का हल्का हुला ब्रॉन्जर जैसा लगता है फॉर सम रीजन. आई डोंट नो. मतलब हुला ब्रॉन्जर से आई थिंक हल्का सा लाइट है ये, बट मुझे कुछ वैसा ही लगा ये शेड. एंड नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट कपी केक ब्लशेस. अगेन मैंने इनका जस्ट से चीज वाला पैलेट ट्राई किया हुआ है. उसी पैलेट के सिंगल पैन ही लॉन्च हुए हैं कपी केक ब्लशेस. द पैकेजिंग इज सेम लाइक ब्रॉन्जर्स, जस्ट उनका ब्राउन कलर है एंड इनका ये काफी चटैक सा पिंक कलर है. एंड आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ शेड्स. सो आई हैव टोटल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 शेड्स. एक शेड गलती से टूटा हुआ आया था, सो ऑब्वियसली आई हैड टू थ्रो इट अवे बिकॉज पूरा पैन स्पॉइल हो चुका था. सो या मेरे पास अभी 7 शेड्स हैं. द फर्स्ट शेड इज दिस वन which is like a very pretty coral pink sort of a color. It's called double talk. I'll just show you the pigmentation as well. Now, इसका pigmentation आप build up definitely कर सकते हो. आपको जितने लाल गाल चाहिए आप बना सकते हो basically. This is what the pigmentation looks like. I think blushes का इतना ही pigmentation होना चाहिए because एक बारी में जब बहुत सारा product pick हो जाता है ना, फिर एकदम से red हो जाते हैं cheeks. वो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता. But आप जितनी बार चाहो आप उतनी बार इसको build up कर सकते हो. This is what it looks like. So beautiful. The texture is again very very buttery smooth. The next shade is called Honey Bun. Now ये वाला जो है ना काफी सुंदर सा पीची वार्म सा ब्लश है. अगेन ये वाला भी मेरा बहुत फेवरेट है. आई जस्ट शो यू व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. अगर आप डस्की हो आप पे बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. इट जस्ट ब्लेंड्स लाइक अ ड्रीम यू कैन से एंड देन इट लुक्स वेरी नेचुरल. अगर आपको थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक ब्लश चाहिए आप उसको ऑब्वियसली बिल्ड अप कर सकते हो. आई जस्ट रियलाइज दैट आई फॉरगॉट टू अप्लाई माय मस्कारा, सो आई एम जस्ट गोना डू दैट राइट अवे. Mascara is done and I have decided to use this blush today which is the shade Tripping For You. I think ये मेरे eye look के साथ काफी अच्छा लगेगा. So I'm just gonna quickly apply this. It's so beautiful. I mean just look at that beautiful color you guys. Done with my blush and I would highly recommend you guys to try this Cupy Cake blush because this is first of all very very affordable, plus the shade range is again very beautiful and you get a very nice quality product. So definitely check out Cuffs and Lashes के blushes. I love it. Now it's time to apply the highlighter and for that we have these Cupy Cake highlighters. Again the same exact same packaging, just the color is different. ये ऐसे blue color की outer packaging में आते हैं. And जो Cuffs and Lashes की बड़ी palette है ना highlighter वाली, Glow palette I think it's called, I don't remember, I'm sorry. Single pans उन्होंने launch किए हैं and I have 5 of them. I'll just quickly swatch this shade for you guys which is called Hula Balu. Now this is what it looks like. So pretty. I'll just show you one more swatch. I'll swatch this shade which is called Zinked. Okay, that's a very cool name. So ये थोड़ा सा ना हल्का सा इसमें ब्रॉन्जी टच है if I'm not wrong. So ये वाला भी काफी स्मूथ है. हाँ मतलब काफी अच्छा है. So this is what it looks like. अगर आप डस्की स्किन टोन हो ना, आपके स्किन टोन में बहुत सुंदर लगेगा ये वाला. One thing that I would like to mention is that the particles, the shimmer particles of these highlighters, they're not very chunky. You guys can see that the particles are quite fine. Another thing that I really like about these highlighters is that it doesn't emphasize or exaggerate the skin texture. This is like definitely a hidden gem. Definitely try the whole Cupy Cake range. I promise you're gonna love it. Now इस वीडियो के लिए जो last new launch है from Cuffs and Lashes, is it is these Penta 5-in-1 matte lipsticks. दो shade ranges launch किए हैं Cuffs and Lashes ने, number 1 and number 2. So number 1 is like a nude family, plus number 2 we have like pinks and reds. आजकल काफी सारी brands ऐसे 5-in-1 lipstick launch कर रही हैं, and I think कि कुछ brands का जो price range है ना, that's not very affordable, but ये जो 5-in-1 matte lipstick है ना, it's for just rupees 325. So 325 में getting 5 different lipstick shades. I think that's definitely extremely affordable. And this is what the actual product looks like. So मैंने ये वाला जो है ना, जो nude वाला range है इनका, ये मैंने काफी बार पहले use किया हुआ है. And ये वाला जो है ना, अभी तक मैंने इसको open भी नहीं किया. You guys can see. So इसको मैं सबसे पहले swatch करके दिखा देती हूँ, and then we'll swatch this one. ये जो packaging है ना, एकदम ऐसे वो बचपन में जो हम pencils नहीं use करते थे, एकदम उसकी याद दिला दी मेरे को. So I'll just swatch the first shade. I love this pink shade. मैं काफी बार लगा चुकी हूँ. Then we're gonna swatch another one. This is what it looks like. This is the third shade. I love this. And then we have this one. It's like a cool toned brown lipstick. Looks very like, you know, badass, you can say. And then last one is this one. I think I'm gonna go with this one for this video. So I'll just quickly apply this. So these are all the 5 swatches of shade number 1. The formulation is very creamy. It's like a creamy matte lipstick. Feels super duper comfortable on the lips. But the thing is that it is not transfer proof. So it definitely transfer hoti hai. I'll just show you. You guys can see कि कितना ज़्यादा ट्रांसफर हुई है ये. So yeah, अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, you know, ऐसी ट्रांसफर होने वाली लिपस्टिक से, definitely go for this one because the creamy matte formulation is super comfortable on the lips. मुझको काफी अच्छा लगता है. Plus it's very pigmented as well. So these are all the 5 shades of shade number 2. ये ऊपर वाला जो रो है आप देख सकते हो. So मुझको काफी अच्छे लगे कलर रेंज. मतलब आप देख सकते हो न्यूड फैमिली प्लस रेड एंड पिंक फैमिली, दोनों ही कलर रेंज काफी ज्यादा सुंदर है एंड एकदम like suitable for Indian skin tones. Alright guys, so my makeup is done. I think my makeup looks super duper sexy. I don't go for such colors on my face, you know, but I'm so glad to experiment. I absolutely love the lipstick shade. It's so pretty, looks very sexy. Now to keep this beautiful makeup in place, I'm just gonna spritz my MAC Fix Plus so that, you know, my makeup stays intact. And with that, I'm done with today's video. I really hope you guys found the video helpful. So अगर आपको इन products में से कुछ भी check out करना है, don't worry, I'm gonna mention all the links in the description box below for you guys. And if you enjoyed watching this video, if you found the review helpful, then please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. In case you guys would like to connect with me on my social medias, I will be leaving all the links for you in the description box below as always. And yes, I shall see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye bye.